Okay, again, so please make sure that you've tried the problems on your own before you watch this video. So problem 3. In this cross, this time you'll cross two pea plants that are homozygous recessive for seed shape. So these are our parents, homozygous recessive. Round seeds are dominant and wrinkled seeds are recessive. And they want to know our genotypic and phenotypic probabilities. So round, I'm going to use the letter R. So a capital R for round because it's dominant, a lowercase r for wrinkled. Our parents are both homozygous recessive, which means that they have two lowercase letters. So again, I'm going to write parent 1 here, parent 2 here. It doesn't matter because they have the same. And like I did on the previous page, we noticed that all of our new plants are going to be homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive. So homozygous dominant would look like two capital letters, homozygous recessive, two lowercase letters, heterozygous, one of each. Homozygous dominant, we look back at our Punnett square, there's none of them. Homozygous recessive, 100%. So, and heterozygous, none. So round seeds, round is the dominant, right? Wrinkled is the recessive. There are no dominant seeds as we can see, so this is going to be 0%. All the seeds are going to be wrinkled. Okay, problem 4. Shortness is a recessive trait, while tallness is dominant. If one pea plant is short and the other is a hybrid, what are the genotypic features? So I'm going to use the letter T, a capital T for the dominant trait tall, a lowercase t for the recessive trait short. So one pea plant is short. The only way to be short is to have two of the recessive alleles. The other was a hybrid. If you remember from the introduction from page 1, hybrid is heterozygous. So parent 1 we'll put on the left. Parent 2 we'll put up top. That is let me just erase it. That is a capital T there. Alright, so we have heterozygous, homozygous recessive, heterozygous, and homozygous recessive. So homozygous dominant, two capital letters, we don't have any of those. Homozygous recessive, two lowercase letters, we have 1, 2 of those, so that's 50%. And heterozygous, we have 2 of those, so that is also 50%. Tall, we have 1, 2 that are going to be tall, so that's 50%. And 2 that are going to be short, so that is 50%. Now number 5, our last one. Blue eyes are a recessive trait, so we're going to underline that blue is recessive. If a parent with blue eyes and a heterozygous brown-eyed parent have a child, what are the chances the child will have blue eyes? So brown eyes is the dominant, so we're going to give it a capital letter. Blue eyes is recessive, so we're going to give it a lowercase letter. So a parent with blue eyes is the recessive trait. The only way to have that is to have 2 lowercase letters. And a heterozygous brown-eyed, so 1 capital, 1 lowercase. So we're going to put parent 1 on the left-hand side, parent 2 up top. So capital letter, lowercase, lowercase, capital, lowercase, lowercase, lowercase. So what are the chances that the child will have blue eyes? So we have this right here. There's a 50% chance the baby will have blue eyes. Okay, I hope this is helpful and it's going to help you to finish your homework for more practice. All right, until next time. See you later.